BONFIDA presents new Serum dashboard, new Serum DAX and Serum swap unveiled. The DeFi market has recently experienced a spike in the active user base and daily transactions. However, such a positive event may pose a serious challenge to most DeFi blockchains. This is because most DeFi mainnets don't have preparations to handle the growing user base and throughputs. The Solana blockchain is a decentralized blockchain that provides flexible, seamless, and cost-effective transaction that aims at solving this issue in the Solana ecosystem. Yet it is still alien to most people, and this is where BONFIDA appears. BONFIDA provides a platform for users to access a permissionless or decentralized exchange with access to Solana's favorable capabilities. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Viktoria, and today we are going to highlight the BONFIDA project and see how it may change the current state of things. As always, before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon not to miss our upcoming videos. Let's get to it. What does the company project do? BONFIDA is a non-custodial decentralized exchange service, which is based on the Serum exchanging protocol and the Solana blockchain. It offers a whole scope of exchanging items concerned with the Solana order book. These give quicker exchange speeds with no exorbitant gas expenses overlooked by clients on different networks. Basic peculiarities of BONFIDA decentralized exchanges in the crypto space are confronting difficulties with expanding gas expenses as well as with low throughput of their transactions. This is ordinary, particularly for those based on the networks of Bitcoin and Ethereum. To make a platform that doesn't experience the ill effects of these issues, the BONFIDA Foundation chose to expand on top of the Serum project, which runs on Solana. Incidentally, Solana is at present one of the quickest blockchains on the planet. With more than 50,000 exchanges, each subsequent handling power, clients can settle exchanges quicker without tremendous gas expenses. But let's not go too far and return to BONFIDA. The platform overcomes any barrier between Serum, Solana, and the client. This is Serum's lead GUI that permits you to utilize Solana data examination in the field. The BONFIDA API is being involved by the absolute biggest market producers in the space and has seen a 25% expansion in queries each week. Some of the main points BONFIDA has are 95% of net fees on BONFIDA are governed by the FIDA token and can be used for shopping burns. BONFIDA can be a reliable exchange stage among novices and experienced clients. It consolidates different helpful elements like exchanging graph and trading new information within its account. This assists clients with gathering significant, insightful data about trade action, remembering information for Serum DAX and swap volumes, pre-rate, and absolute values locked. BONFIDA is the pioneer organization to interface trading view diagrams to online information, so the clients will actually want to put orders. To work with both essential and progress merchants, BONFIDA will have two exchanging modes for Serum. The high-level mode will have highlights, for example, BONFIDA bots, and the above expanded request types. The BONFIDA API is involved by many market producers in the business, and the quantity of solicitation is expanding by 25% consistently. In December 2020, when the start was already planned, BONFIDA raised more than $4.5 million. The seed round was facilitated by CMS Holdings with the investment of enormous firms like Sino Global, Spartan Group, and Three Arrows Capital, Genesis Block Ventures. Why use Serum? Alright, sounds cool, doesn't it? But you may ask, why pick Serum? The DAX order book has to be responsive. To have an adaptable service, the basic blockchain should meet specific prerequisites. There are justifications for why the BONFIDA group picked Solana and its DAX Serum as the establishment for their task. High exchange throughput. Solana can perform north of 50,000 exchanges each second. This will increment further as the chain develops. Lower gas costs. Normal gas costs under $0.001 per exchange. Mixed feature. Considering that the Serum convention is open source, any individual from the local area can chip away at advancement that can further develop biological system esteem. Decentralization. Exchanges and capacity of crypto property are totally liberated from any control by outsiders. Clients should set up a viable wallet to interface with the service, which requires SOL tokens, Solana software library. 3 choices: bonfida.com wallet, solanwallet.com, and solo.io. Remember to save some extra SOL to pay your expenses. Exclusive features. BONFIDA as the evolved DAX moving on the core of the project lets overlook what exclusive features it can offer. BONFIDA approaches Serum's selective business sector. FIDA holders, more on the FIDA token later, can decide to listing to be accessible for the service. The principal DAO vote has effectively been done. Market producers give liquidities through associations like Alameda Research. Through the REST API, different services, for example CoinGecko, can demand information when they need it, as of now north of 6 million requests each day. Both limit and market orders are already available on Serum, while others such as take profit and stop loss are currently being developed by BONFIDA. However, advanced on-off order types will require users to keep their FIDA rate. In addition, BONFIDA now offers leverage tokens such as Bull, Bear, pairs like the ones you can find on FTX, an ecosystem pool with indexes and AMM swaps. BONFIDA also includes sellable and non-fungible token NFT exchange hosted on the BONFIDA platform. It supports all the features that are commonly available on the most NFT exchanges without the cost of a classic Ethereum network. Solvable main page. FIDA token. FIDA is BONFIDA's own utility token. It is mainly used to pay gas fees on the platform, but it can also be used for the following purposes. FIDA will be fully integrated into BONFIDA and also has governance control over all fees earned on BONFIDA, being part of the great ecosystem. Now that you know the principles BONFIDA runs on, it's time to cover the most important topic. What profit can you get from being a part of this project? BONFIDA ecosystem is rich and highly beneficial. Total supply and circulation in the first year from TGE is 4.6%, liquidity 2%, and RO 0.6%. Serum going to SRM yield 2%. FIDA is giving its users the following utility: 95% of net fees on BONFIDA are regulated by the FIDA token. FIDA is used for transactions, access to VIP, API, BONFIDA bots, BONFIDA DAX, and soluble listings with marketing services, white labels, and advisory services. FIDA rates will provide their holders with exclusive API endpoints and lower latency access to rare soluble markets. Advanced analytics. BONFIDA will include a limited management model based on FIDA. Some parameters, such as the cost of product, can be changed through voting on the management of FIDA tokens. The FIDA distribution is projected as follows: maximum offer 1 billion, sales of blocked seeds 9% blocked for 1 to 4 years. Liquidity 2% unlocked. IEO 0.6% unlocked. 10% Serum goes to SRM income 8% locked for 1 to 4 years. 10% FIDA locked for 1 to 4 years, reserved for BONFIDA contribution employees in the form of bonuses grants. The rest will be managed by BONFIDA and the FIDA Foundation. The rich perspective of BONFIDA in February 2022. BONFIDA has already delivered the innovations that have been requested, that is the direct registration system, the introduction of additional currencies for domain name registering, as well as integrating a secondary marketplace for SNS or Solana name service. Future plans. Well, that seems alright, but for any smart investors it is crucial to know long-term prospects. BONFIDA is full of ambitious plans, among which is its partner sponsorship of Solana's Riptide Hackathon, rewarding the best integration with the Solana name service SNS Jabber. Their participation is not only beneficial but also encouraging with regards to its builders. The price is up to $30,000 USD worth of FIDA. BONFIDA's community is growing fast, with its 70,000 followers that continue to grow. As for the buy and burn, it remains consistently high with 70,932 FIDA burned in January. The net worth in use are also of FIDA token, which was listed on Coinbase and Kraken. This is going to make its further liquidity even higher. The FIDA token has its own vector to become one of the most profitable among altcoins. Being currently traded at $2.5 per token, the forecast project that Wallet investor currently projects FIDA could rise fourfold to up to $8 in 1 year and $30 in 5 years. Another platform, Digital Coin Price, provides a 2023, 2025, and 2029 price target of $4, $5, and $10 respectively. It is worth mentioning none of them are partners for BONFIDA, especially Govdet Capital with its forecast BONFIDA could be worth $21 in a year to grow up to $208 in 5 years. FIDA token price chart. The goal of the service, serving as an intermediary to connect tokens to various blockchains, remains creating a store for e-commerce. Clients are going to buy collectibles that are redeemable in real life as well. BONFIDA presents yet another first for the Solana ecosystem. In July 2021, the service of BONFIDA partnered with Odysseus Foundation to launch the first perpetual futures protocol built on Solana. The fastest liquidation engine ever built in Odysseus can solve imbalances and aggregate even higher trading volumes, which of now can exceed $1.6 billion. Odysseus protocol will also migrate to the AOB, making perpetual trading even more profitable. The BONFIDA bots seem also extremely useful for generating revenues in future. As of now, the bots oversaw more than 240,000 trades executed, and the total value locked in the pools reached 80,000 USD. Summary: most DEX grow hard to receive the interest of their trades. Both novice and senior ones. More experienced traders are usually looking for exchanges where fast transaction processing doesn't cost huge gas fees. That's the reason it's a perfect solution for a developer to be searching for a service that integrates such a feature if they want to go beyond existing DeFi-based exchanges. BONFIDA provides a complete suite of products that bridges the gap between Serum, Solana, and the growing user base actively trading on the Serum DEX. As the Serum flagship GUI, the platform brings the first Solana data analytics to the ecosystem, aiming to make BONFIDA the one-stop solution for prominent players in the Ethereum DeFi ecosystem. The BONFIDA API is currently being used by some of the biggest market makers in the cryptocurrency industry and has shown impressive growth of over 25% weekly. BONFIDA from the Serum project was a successful venture to create an exchange capable of not only making fast transactions, but also fully automated and decentralized trading. With BONFIDA, users can set up their own trading strategies and set their own goals with sophisticated indicators so that no transactions are found stuck on an overloaded blockchain. This is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or thoughts on BONFIDA, feel free to share them down below. Also, don't forget to support the content we are doing. Thanks for watching and see you.